Then,
kalimutan tayo na.
paano mo na point na sigurado ka na yaob ka sa tournament to? Paano mo nalaman?
Forgettable.
Di,
Pass it.
no for Gil. It's forget. So, paano mo na-prove na yaob ka sa to? Paano mo nalaman?
Because every night when I sleep, when I'm going to bed,
No.
yaob.
But my friend told me he tossed you in a side way. Then he smacked at your lips,
What kind of chismis?
kissing with scissor.
It's okay, sir. Ito less mo.
No, it's scissor. It means chani. So, how can you explain about the chani?
Oh, you know, Chani is
Some kind of channeling?
Sanitizing.
No, you want you have to use a monkey king bar.
some kinds of touching without
Any permission?
Now you know.
Any information.
without arousing you.
Madaling salita, tinulawang ka niya.
No. But in Arnold,
But when touching with my permission,
No, wait.
it's okay.
it's okay.
How about the touching with the
Wait, no.
down upward and back down? How can you tell that?
Ano na yun video mo?
No. Arnold want to see this. Because this is some kind of pterodactyl reason. I mean, an Jurassic farm. An adorable. But how can you explain that Arnold loves you?
And unforgettable.
As a friend?
Unforgettable ka.
As a friend.
Unforgettable.
True.
But in my case,
But he kiss your butt.
it's not true.
That?
I can prove it.
Why?
How?
Why?
How?
Why? Why you are trying to prove it? That we have an evidence proving to the Supreme Court that you are a victim. And why do you accept that you are a victim? Because you are a positive
Can you
victim.
show it to the
No,
public?
your mark lips is in the mouth of Arnold too. How can you explain that? Arnold is a very sensitive girl. Then why you are denying it?
I'm not
It's
denying.
like,
She's priggy.
What?
What the fuck, freaky?
Yeah.
Friggy bird. How about that? So you like Arnold too?
Yeah.
yeah.
Some kind of like that? Just give me a one answer and
It's okay.
I'll shut up my mouth. This is my question.
This is why
No, this is what I'm hot. No, I will ask you, sir.
I tell you. This.
If you are a professional professor,
I tell you.
why you cannot recognize about what happened on that night?
At that time. So
The lights are gone.
we are there. No, we're there.
So the lights are gone.
What's the
Christmas lights,
the
turntable.
What's the occasion?
House party,
Huh?
Location?
Oh, what's the occasion then?
house party.
Party lang, party.
So when I'm going to sleep,
He attack you.
no,
Explain it.
I'm assure you that at that time,
I fall asleep. And then he attacked me.
I don't know what happened. The
uh,
next
morning, I wake up in the mark of cases in my lips.
so
Sobrang kawain sa minsan ka.
Choi tell me that that morning,
Arnold attacks you.
But
that,
Arnold told us that
At that
it
night-
is really you.
not me, not me, not me.
No, that's not sir. Because Arnold told me he is not sure about the victim, but he's telling about the smell. So how can you say
The position.
who is the one who smells good? You or Choi?
I don't
Who smells good?
You or Choi?
Maybe Choi.
Why? How can you tell that Choi is so very nagamahok?
because
How can you prove?
because at that day,
That night.
That night?
I don't know.
Okay.
That day,
Kumbaga,
I don't
think
Think
about.
Oh my god!
No, because I got nobody but you. Nobody nga ni. Ay mga attorney, fiscal. Okay, general average. I'm the judge, professor, cameraman. Okay, let's talk about it again. I want nobody but you.
It's nothing but you.
Who tell you that?
Only the Wonder Girls.
What the girls?
This is mine?
Yeah,
No,
it's you.
that's not yours. It's Levy's glass.
No, it's our glass, but it's your glass.
It's mine?
It's your water in your drink, but that's the glass because if
Same
you
as glass, but
The liquor is
the under the table. No, there's no under the table.
we know
No, excuse me, sir. No. There's no under the glass. Empty, 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 empty. No, it's a water.
It's not empty.
Water,
No.
water, water DPT.
It's only a water.
It's not water.
No liquor.
What's that? It's a ice?
Can we put this out?
No. If you put this out, that's the water became flowing. Oh, see? It's flowing. You're drunken.
What can we do this?
Did you do that? Okay, let's stop the meaning of this. Stop the meaning of this.
So can we fill?
Yes,
Okay.
refill it, refill it.
You can feel it for free.
Thank you.
That's what I love you, my man.
Okay, let's
Yeah.
continue the
The
processing.
topic.
Processing,
Oh, you love
processing,
the topic.
processing sector.
The topic.
You love that topic, huh? What topic?
I love that. I love the topic too.
What topic?
It's a topic.
What topic?
You know you're
Crazy.
no.
Huwag na pala crazy.
You want to cut me up?
No.
No, I want to frame you up.
I just want to upload.
No, I just want. I just
All
want.
of us wants,
I just want that.
What really
No,
happened that
no,
night?
I just want to come out the reality.
And what really happened that night?
What means?
All of you.
Because
I
I
want,
told us that
I want nobody.
I
it's
want-
really you.
I want nobody but you.
I want you to tell what is true. Okay?
The truth is,
What happened?
It's really you.
let's start over again. The truth is, you.
I can-
We are your
I can deny
friends.
that It's not me.
How?
And how can you deny it? Are you there? In the crime scene?
I am there.
Oh, so you are there.
But you are under the influence of liquor.
Liquor, you are there.
How can you say
Oh,
that?
how can you tell that it is not you?
I can't tell you. I can't tell you
I can't.
I can't-
Say you can't tell me.
Now.
because
I can't.
Don't tell.
As
Told.
Told us.
Told us
it's
that.
really you.
That was really you.
No. A simple word came from Arnold is he bites you.
He bites your lips.
He bites your lips, under your teeth, and your dimple. What can you say about that? And your tongue is tumbling.
I think sir really likes it. Why?
It's very delicious.
When I bite him,
He smiled even in his sleep.
Um.
He smiled. Even in
Counter. He's countering.
Countering.
Counter-attack.
Counter.
It's counter-attack.
He's trying to fight about the tongue because his tongue is very thin.
I can't tell you.
And is
I can't tell
he
you
is
anything.
sucking in the nose of Arnold because the nose is big, and he's always fighting about that. What can you say about that, Borat?
I love it.
I was asleep.
I was asleep.
Dump or not dump?
I don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to
I
say.
said about, but no one wants to believe.
Nobody but you talaga.
You mean nobody?
But it's
Nobody but me.
Yeah,
I want nobody but you. So
Sinta naman. Maluwi
okay. Okay, let's transfer about the fellow men. How about you?
It's really.
Are you a true man or a true woman?
Balik-
No, you're asking yourself.
Bahala ka muna.
Response or did not response is always required. Silence means yes.
Man.
True man. What are you trying to eat? Balls or hot dog? Just answer the question. No. Supreme Court question is always right. What are you trying to eat? Balls or hot dog?
Oh, you like hot dog, huh?
You're just some kind of a suspicious person, huh? You're trying to give me a, some kind of thinking that I have a,
Motive.
What kind of flavor?
what do you like a
Chicken, beef, pork.
Ay, come on.
Okay.
Ay, come on.
So response, Mr. Willy. Puppy.
You like pork, beef, or chicken?
She likes hot dog. I mean, he likes hot dog.
She like.
No, she. But I like her. Her.
Luka.
I like her. Peluca. Peluca it's same. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine.
Let's see.
Oh, we are the big boss. Because we have so plenty of liquor. You see that? You see that? You see that? You have an ice. You see that? You see that? The pollutant is empty. But we have in here, we have some kind of pollutant, but we are not opening. We are not trying to open it because it's for breakfast only. So we're just closing our time because
The case is closed.
the case is closed and dismissed about what happened on a gay or a boy kissing on a 1K. So
Guilty.
Adjourned.
guilty because on the night is
The suspect is really guilty.
the suspect is very guilty. So
And he really
Not
admitted.
really.
because it's really admitting that is you.
Oh,
Kind of
really?
kissing was it? So how can you prove it, Mr. Delar?
Case is closed na nga, mao.
No,
Case is closed.
just give me a final touch for that case.
The meeting
Oh!
is adjourned.
Through the next day,
He means the kiss is closed. The kiss is closed. He's trying. He's trying, man.
pastil and jug.
Dahil magtaram kay ba mararamo ha?
Bicolano.
Ayo. Good night.
Grabe, no?
Wala pa lang video ulit.